Welcome to the Gone Touring Garage and a series of videos on how I'm going to prepare my new to me bike, my Ducati Multistrada V2S, ready for touring this summer. We're up to a point now where we need to take some of the fern away to run wires and to drill and fit my auxiliary USB point, which is going to be here, a little charge point. And to do that, first thing we need to do is remove this recovery unlock bracket, which is just simple rubber grommets, two little pegs, two little rubber grommets, reveals 4 little Allen bolts which hold the 2 side covers on. So pretty straightforward. These are small ones, pretty small. And they've got a bit of a shoulder to them. So with the 2 screws out, 2 Allen bolts out, that should just slide forward and reveal a bit more. Next part of the video is to remove this. So if you look really carefully, you can see there's 1 Allen bolt just in there, which needs to come off first. So we know it's under there. I have to lift this fed up and carefully undo it without scratching anything. I mean, you don't see this anyway, but best not to scratch anything. I think I need it longer. On the bolt, longer, okay. Nice, gotta do this. That's tight. Ah, there we go, we've got it. Right, there it is. Making it a bit easier, got my extension bar on. So much easier. Right. That was a lot easier, wasn't it? Right, so we've taken the 2 bolts out, 2 screws out either side. So this just comes apart and then it should just lift up. Come on, there we go, off the grommets, slides up out the way. So this side still got the wire for the 12-volt DIN socket and the wire for the antenna for the keyless ignition. So we'll just leave them connected, leave that balance nice and safely.